Say no to drugs and yes to sports po at happy and ponsi Khatkhati Sports Association atum pen chapatri ponsi anti-drugs awareness campaign Khatkhati along nini apharman kapaman pon. Bokajan subdivision ke parlo kedamtang parpai ni phaing kora phoni Khatkhati Sports Association atum pen chapatri ponsi anti-drugs awareness campaign amai Khatkhati Sports Association pathu aklam along paman pon. Bangso anti-drugs awareness campaign amai ke paman pona hudraki a hormu pen kosonsi kache pahelo ponangji lapen okpra na phan kana hok anparta society a phan thedung katikuk do pu ovikiniari soijang atuma phan than pajirmi pon sonsi anti-drugs awareness campaign amai ke paman pona long pai ni phaing kora plipen kora nini a pharman kibi pon hut no to drugs yes to sports po motive and ponsi adaba por 100-meter race 400-meter race, 1600-meter race, lapen marathon race, B ponsi, nok be ke kat kache pati along ke hai, dona nok be po anok be pi atuma phan certificate lapen tangka pipa jirpon. Khatkhati Sports Association amai pu Rajbu Teron pen kechari pona mailong chunbang ajai bong rung pen maya thepi jaipon. Bangso mailong alhi sarpo man pen kache tongrun bong rung arong SGB Babu bong rung Kasa Athletics Chunbang Rajan Rongpi Sangpi Lakshmi Rathor Raj Rathor Khatkhati Sports Association abarim Maipu Molenteron Anpatak Kaprek Man ke do ke thekiring atum chitong dun si mesen pen pichun pon Anparta Nagaland border ke dorat aphan Kachingthur Asaimo Jesamet Sports Anathu ke Pachingthur ji aphan 15 crores a project Khatkhati Sports Association complex nangki kim pi anchot takali residential school akror a project sitami kimrang ponbonglo lahai kaching thora saimo nangki claim apo Jesamet Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Thuliram Ronghang MP Amar Singh Tiso atum border ke do rongarat atuma phan kang hon pon thegapot ningaklong pen suri akachuru pajir pona birta ripon long
anti-drugs awareness laso a campaign program nelitum Khatkhati Sports Association a hinpen kibipon ignang kok aderne la pison henloje ke damtang pinang an ali kidingpen labangsu Khatkhati a area long drugs to a hinanat bangke ilitum la police atum ke claim abang atum pen chenglok society along tomach ke paminang di pam abang ki atum pinang an labangsu drugs ke jor mate lang drugs la so bepar ka puri atum bhanki ne blong la pison ka ili tum economic long bo masan sido lasi labangsu along kingkam isi sports association a him ke nanat ne sitamine ili tum la anti drugs awareness campaign bang ka puri du nangji ko abang akunang sot to akido join isi ini ani labangsu program patumi ke damtang date 24th and 25th of August bangke nilitum ladak Khatkhati Sports Association non lasua mini stadium construction klembo madi malong sitamine ke hospon.
It's a proud moment for all of us that today we have been able to organize such a huge event. The sports lovers, they have participated even from Hanjang Langso to encourage the youth, to encourage the sports lovers of Khatkhati, because as we know that Hanjang Langso Sports Association is little bit ahead in all these aspects of the sport. So and as far as the sports thing is concerned, the president of Khatkhati Sports Association, he has already informed about the events and all. What I'm going to disclose today before the public of Karbi Anglong and before the in general and before the public of Khatkhati or Lahorijan and entire Nagaland border in particular is that we are very much thankful to the Honorable Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Sir Dr. Numal Momin, and also we are very much thankful to the CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Thuliram Ronghang. We are also very much thankful to Sri Amar Singh Tisoji, in charge land and revenue, because it's only because of them, because of their help only that we could have such kind of great infrastructure
Sang ti hi di pen present terang Karbi Anglong Live.